Welcome to Docyt's step-by-step guide on splitting receipts by amount. Whether you're itemizing expenses or allocating costs, follow these instructions to precisely manage your receipts. Log into your Docyt account by visiting app.docyt.com. To access the receipt list, go to the top header menu and click Expense Management. Select Receipt Box from the drop-down menu and choose Receipt List to view all your receipts. In your receipt list, locate the receipt you want to split. On the right, you'll find the Amount button. Click it, and a menu will unfold. Here, select Split Receipt by Amount. You're now in the Split Receipts by Amount window. Enter the amounts you wish to divide the receipt into. Need more rows? Simply click the blue Add Row button. Use the receipt total, statement amount, and difference fields as your guide to eliminate any guesswork. Fill in the amounts, then click Continue. A confirmation window titled Split Receipt into Multiple Payments will appear. Confirm the split by clicking the blue Split button. After a moment, your receipt list will refresh. You'll see that the original receipt is now neatly split into multiple entries according to the amounts you specified. Thanks for watching this video.